Hello guys and welcome back. Look where I am. I'm at Central WestGate, which is in Nonthaburi. Right next door we have an IKEA. We're going to go in there. We're going to have something to eat. Oh, I'm so hungry. Yeah, it's about 11 o'clock and it's about 32°C. Anyway guys, let's go for a little bit of a walk. So it's been about a year since I've been here. That building wasn't there before, that's new. This road hasn't changed, it's still really noisy. Anyway, let's head inside. The sunflowers are looking pretty nice, aren't they? Some kind of festival maybe. Maybe we can go check it out. Tell you what, this is a new restaurant. This wasn't here before. Looks alright. If anyone's been here, let us know what it's like. I suppose we can go walk through there, see what kind of food they have. Then we're going to check out IKEA. IKEA? IKEA? How do you say IKEA? Just spotted this as well. I've never been to this one before. That's 219. All you can eat. I don't know if you're getting out on the camera. This is all the meats. I would go for the cheapest one. It does look alright. You've got your beef up there. That's what I love the most, beef. I've not seen a Pizza Hut restaurant for ages. Ooh, I could eat a pizza right now. But anyway, I'm going to take you over there for a little walk. Where's KFC gone? He's disappeared. That looks alright, doesn't it? Shame it's not open. Look at the size of those potatoes. Looks good, doesn't it? This one called Massaman. Normally the potatoes are a lot smaller. You might take one of them home. That does look good. Got no idea what these are. Look alright though, don't they? Oh, look. 30 baht. And over here, I've had this one before. Maybe they were similar to what was there. My favourite one in there is the cheese and ham. I think it's that one. This used to be the IKEA restaurant. Now it's a clothes shop. I really wanted a hot dog. So what we have to do, we go through these doors here and we go to the other little restaurant. Okay, so we're going to go up to that yellow door just up there. It's a bit quiet in here. Right, let's go for a hot dog anyway. A bit of mustard. Bit of ketchup. Oh yeah. Right, okay, so IKEA don't take cash anymore. Only scan. I do love a hot dog though. 15 baht. Anyway, let's go. Okay, so there's a restaurant. I'll show you the menu quickly. I'm not going to eat in here. That chicken leg looks alright. Fish and chips. How do you do this then? There we go, some more food. Oh, I've not seen that one before. And we've got sausages. Ooh, that looks good. These are nice as well. Plant-based fried egg. What's that all about? Right. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to head down and eat that chicken Massaman I saw earlier. That looked really, really good. Look at the size of that. So this is what we're going to go for. Oh, we've got some fish cakes there as well. Whoa. That's 70 baht. And here's one of them potatoes. Oh yeah. There we have it, look at that. Peanuts in there. Massaman is really, really nice. I think it comes from the south of Thailand. Got coconut milk and stuff in there. Okay, let's get stuck in. Oh, the potato is nice and soft. That's lovely, lovely, and cooked well. Cooked well. Bit of a chicken. Beautiful. A few bones in there. Let's go for a mix of potato and chicken. Lovely. Not very spicy, this one. If you want some spice, you can add some chilies. Spot on. One of my favourite dishes. If you ever get the chance, check out beef Massaman. Beef Massaman is lovely, really, really is good. Really hard to find it though. If you like potatoes, yeah, these are proper big ones. Peanut, chicken, potato, and a coconut sauce. I'm going to crack on and eat this, and we'll go for a walk down in the basement, see what's going on down there, see if that's changed in the last year. Ooh, yeah. I'll tell you what, those potatoes and rice are so filling, really filling. I don't think I can eat any more now today. What we will do, we will try to find something to drink. Alright, down here we go. It's looking like all the restaurants down here are either Japanese or Korean. So if you like your Korean food or Japanese food, come and check these places out. I found a Thai restaurant, and a pad krapao is about 75. I think you have to pay 10 baht for an egg. You got your bowl noodles there. Not too bad. This one, I really want to try this, but today I'm too full. Maybe Thailand Food and Walk. You can come down here and give it a taste test. This is another fantastic restaurant. The restaurant that we saw right at the start of the video is trying to copy this place, I think, because the menu is nearly exactly the same. I've had the hamburger before, which is good, and I've had fish and chips, which is also good. Next time, I think I'm going to have one of them. Alright guys, I'm going to call this the end of the video. That food has just made me want to sit down and have a drink somewhere. If you're still watching, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later guys.